mosaic is a pattern or image made of small pieces of coloured stone, glass, ceramic or paper. They were popular in Roman times and were used to cover floors. They looked good, would last a long time and could be washed. The Romans used coloured stones or tiles that were set in mortar. These tiles were called tesserae. Some mosaics depicted geometric patterns, others contained pictures of animals, people and gods. Let's try making our own mosaics out of paper. You'll need scissors or square punch, pencil and ruler, and coloured card and paper, glue stick or PVA glue. You can buy punches in all shapes and sizes. They make cutting out lots of shapes that are all the same size quick and easy. But just use scissors to cut tesserae if you don't have any. Make your own knot mosaic. You'll need 1 cm squares, 34 black, 14 orange, 20 white and 51 of a background colour. Play and pause to follow the steps. Well done! Do you want to challenge yourself to a harder knot? You will need 1 cm squares, 112 black, 60 red, 48 orange and 5 white. Play and pause to follow the steps again. Next, challenge yourself with curves. Try to create a picture. The Romans would have often have a mosaic of a Medusa head. It was thought to ward off evil and protect the home. This is the wonderful Medusa at Brading Roman Villa. Try creating your own snake-haired head. This one is made using 7mm squares and is quite fiddly. Using colour sample swatches from paint shops is an easy way to get different tones for shading. You can cut your tesserae into the right shapes to fit. Keep snipping until it fits like you want it to. Finishing touches. Medusa, ready to protect the house. What to do next? Research contemporary mosaic artists and look out for mosaics when you're out and about. Check under your feet. And keep your eyes peeled for other mosaics in the wild.